Getting Cbrown. In today's video I will show you how to show game library on Epic Games PC. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, go to into your Epic Games application that we have downloaded on our PC, and when you are in here, then what we need to do now is to click here. It says settings right here, and now we need to scroll down, and in here as you can see where it says hide game library, you need to basically click here, and as you can see now you turn this one off. So what we are going to do now is to click here to go back, and as you can see the library or the game library is now in here. So basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comment below if you have any questions. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.